you are married for a couple of years, but your partner is always maltreating you. Your partner is always moving from one man or one woman to the other, and you want the person to love you, do as he says. You want your wish to be your partner's command, don't just pass by. A lot of great testimonies are coming out of the remedy or the Lovespell that I'm teaching. So if today is your first time watching me, I would like you to go into my account, read people's testimony. Maybe if you married for a couple of years, but your partner is not giving you attention, you want your partner to do as you say, then this direction is meant for you. This leaf that you are seeing over here, this is what we call the sodium apple leaf. Yeah, this is what we call the sodium apple leaf, and this is what we call the sodium apple seed. This is the seed of it, and this is the leaf of it. So you go and plug one of this leaf. This direction must be done in evening time. That's why I'm doing this video this evening. Yes, after plugging the leaves, you write only your partner's name on it. Like I have written down on it. Only your partner's name must be written on the leaf. After writing your partner's name, this is what you're going to do. You fold it into three. This 1, 2, 3. After folding, you open the sodium apple seed like this. Then you put the leaf inside. When you put the leaf inside, you fold like this. Then you tie it with the thread that the seamstress or the tailors use in sewing. Yes, you tie it with it. Then you leave it on a refuse dump. This is a refuse dump. This direction needs to be done in evening time.